Hello everyone. Today I am show how to create network in VirtualBox. Okay. Today I am create network for my Kali Linux virtual PC and Windows 7 virtual PC. First I go to File, select Tools and go to Network Manager, and you can see three options it have: host only network, NAT network and cloud network. Now I click NAT network and using create button, then go to properties, and this is my created network. I'm set new name test. This is my name, and I'm change IP version for IP address 192.168.3.0. This is our IP version for network address, and press apply. Okay, it is configured done. You can see IP version for prefix address and DHCP service enabled. Now I click my first virtual PC Kali Linux and go to settings, go to network and select NAT network and select my network test and okay. And next I go to Windows 7 settings, network and select NAT network and using this test and press okay. Okay, that's all about this video. Thank you very much. Please subscribe my channel and share with your friends.